Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to maths class. Kids, you have learned first chapter building with bricks. Yes, you have learned about patterns. Yes, in this here are picture patterns are given. You have learned that already. We have learned it, and here you are going to learn same as the shapes also. Circle, which is in the form of circle pattern, also you have learned what how do how to draw a brick. Yes, we have learnt about shape, faces of bricks, sides of bricks, shape of a brick, etc. And you have all completed this all in the homework. Yes, and a walls which will not fall, walls you have learnt yesterday's video. You have learnt that which type of wall will not fall, and also wall patterns, learnt wall patterns, and jali work. You have learned jali work, and did you completed this? I have told you to complete this box, this picture or pattern. You have to form color with crayons and form the jali pattern in this. Anybody completed? Those who have not completed, complete it. And arch, you have studied about arch also. This is called as an arch. Yes, now you are going to study bricks and bricks. Okay, size of a, now one activity is given for you here. Here on picture they have given here a picture, and from this which of the brick has curved edges. You have to find from this picture the which brick has curved edges. How many faces do you see for a for the C of the longest brick? Here which is the longest brick you have to recognize and find its faces. How many faces you see? Okay, you see that you have to write. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Is there any brick in this picture? It has more than 6 faces. They have asked you. Find out the size of a brick. Have you seen bricks of different sizes? You have seen the bricks in the different sizes. Take a brick and measure it. Take brick and measure it. How long it is? You have to measure the brick. How many centimeter? You have seen the scale. Yes, with the scale you measure it. How many centimeter it is or inches it has. How wide is it? Width, you have to measure length, width here. Okay, and how high is it? Here you have to measure the height of the brick. Okay, once to make okay, and now I will show you some pictures from your textbook only. You have seen the where the bricks are made. Hot and fresh means with the mud and water, using mud and water and many other things they will make a brick. So it will be hot. You may saw. Yes, they will burn the mud. The bricks are made first of mud here in the shown in the picture, and like this they will make and they will burn it. Okay, when they burn, after that it form the bricks. They dug a mud from the earth and they will make it. They will take a mud and they make a use of water, and they will make a brick and they will burn it. So like that the bricks are formed. And students, you have the word problems. Word problems means, see, you have learnt about numbers, 4 digit number, 3 digit numbers, yes, 5 digit numbers, Like that, 1000 has how many digit numbers? 1000 how many digit number? 4 digit number. Yes, 1000 4 digit numbers. I will show you here. Look at this. 1000, this is 4 digit number. Okay, unit, 10, 100, 1000. Unit, tens, 100 and 1000. Yes, 1000 has 4 digit number. So 1000. So according to that, here are some word problems based on 1000. It is, I will tell you. Went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The price were also different for different type of bricks. Old bricks, there are some old bricks, means if they are old bricks, so they are rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. For 1000 bricks, for 1000 bricks, how many rupees? Old bricks 1200 rupees. This one of old bricks. Okay, now new bricks from Intapur, rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. This new bricks, how many rupees? 1800 rupees. For it is also for 1000. Okay, 1000 bricks. And now new bricks from Brickabad, rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. This is also new bricks from Brickabad, rupees 2000 for how many bricks? For 1000 bricks. Okay, now Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He brought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? Now look at here. For 1000 bricks, how many rupees? 2000 rupees. Number of bricks. Okay, for 1000 bricks, 2000 rupees. And for 3000 bricks, how many rupees? They have asked the questions. It means for 1000 bricks, they have given the price of 1000 bricks, that is 2000 rupees, and they are asking of 3000 bricks. If he purchased 3000 bricks, how much rupees he has to pay for bricks? Now look at 3000 rupees, 3000 bricks, bricks into 200 rupees divided by 1000. Okay, if you do like this, all zeros cancel. Okay, this 30 and this 30 cancel. Now 3 bricks in 2000 rupees. Only take now numbers. Okay, now 3 into 2000 rupees. Now how many thousands? I have told you all to write the tables. Now tables, here the tables will be applied. Okay, 3 times 2 makes 6. 3 0 0 0 0. Whichever number is multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. You know it. Yes or no? Okay, now you have understood this word problem. Now here, guess, again one hint for you. Guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. They have asked. You have to write how many rupees he will pay for the 500 old bricks. Okay. Now how many rupees he will pay here 6,000 rupees. Okay. Now practice at home 2 digit 3 digit and 4 digit numbers at your home, and write tables daily. 2 ones are 2, 10 ones are daily 2 times. Okay, thank you. Now we will stop our video here and we will study in our next class.